The DJI Inspire 3 is an impressive aerial cinematography drone that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in professional filmmaking. Let me give you a concise overview of its key features. Full-frame 8K imaging system. The Inspire 3 boasts a full-frame 8K sensor, allowing for stunningly detailed footage. Whether you're capturing landscapes, action sequences, or intricate close-ups, this camera system delivers exceptional image quality. Tilt boost and 360 degrees pan dual configurations. The gimbal on the Inspire 3 offers both tilt boost and 360 degrees pan capabilities. This flexibility allows filmmakers to capture dynamic shots from various angles, enhancing creativity and storytelling. Dual control powered by O3 Pro video transmission. The O3 Pro video transmission system ensures stable and reliable communication between the drone and the controller. Dual control capability allows for seamless collaboration between the pilot and the camera operator. Centimeter-level RTK Positioning and Waypoint Pro. Precision matters in professional cinematography. The Inspire 3 features centimeter-level RTK positioning, enabling accurate flight paths and precise waypoint navigation. 1.8-inch ultra-wide Night-Vision FPV camera, filming in low-light conditions? No problem. The ultra-wide Night-Vision FPV camera provides clear visuals even when the sun goes down. DJI Master Wheels compatibility. For advanced camera control, the Inspire 3 supports DJI Master Wheels, a professional-grade accessory that allows precise adjustments during filming. Omnidirectional sensing and safety features. 9 visual sensors enhance obstacle detection, making the Inspire 3 safer to fly. Filmmakers can focus on their shots without worrying about collisions. Lightweight full-frame gimbal camera. The Gimbal Design is aerodynamic and lightweight, ensuring stability during flight while maximizing image quality. Creative freedom. With the Inspire 3, filmmakers have the freedom to explore new angles, experiment with movement, and capture breathtaking visuals. It's the ultimate tool for pushing creative boundaries. In summary, the DJI Inspire 3 is the professional-level aerial platform that filmmakers have been eagerly waiting for, a drone that combines cutting-edge technology with artistic possibilities.